Do you wish you could use a floating calculator while using another application on your Xiaomi Redmi Note? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to use the floating calculator feature on your Xiaomi Redmi Note. This handy tool allows you to have a calculator always at your fingertips. So let's dive in and discover how to make it happen. Open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone, scroll down and look for additional settings. After that, tap on Floating Windows under the Special Features section. Now go to Sidebar. Next, turn on Always Show Here. Then you will see an indicator. Swipe from the right edge of your screen to bring up the sidebar. Now you can open any app in the floating window, including the calculator app. Press and hold the indicator to move the window around. And there you have it. Now you know how to use the floating calculator on your Xiaomi Redmi phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.